Imagine a world where you summon a car with a tap on your phone. It arrives at your doorstep and drives you to your destination without a human driver. Does this sound like a futuristic fantasy? Well, it's closer than you might think. Tesla, the electric vehicle giant, has been making significant strides towards a future where autonomous vehicles, or robotaxis, are the norm. But is it truly possible? Let's dive in and explore the feasibility of Tesla's robotaxi ambitions. To understand the potential of Tesla's robotaxi, we need to grasp the technology behind it. At the core of autonomous vehicles is artificial intelligence, or AI. This technology enables cars to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and act accordingly. Tesla has been investing heavily in AI research and development, and its vehicles are already equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that allow them to gather data about their environment. One of the key components of autonomous vehicles is the neural network, a type of AI that can learn and improve over time. Tesla's neural networks are trained on vast datasets of driving scenarios, allowing them to recognize patterns and make informed decisions. This continuous learning process is essential for ensuring that autonomous vehicles can handle a wide range of driving conditions. Tesla's progress. Tesla has already made significant progress towards developing robotaxis. Its autopilot system, which is available in many of its vehicles, offers advanced driver assistance features such as automatic steering, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control. While autopilot is not fully autonomous, it demonstrates Tesla's capabilities in developing the technology needed for robotaxis. In recent years, Tesla has been testing its full self-driving (FSD) beta program, which aims to enable vehicles to drive themselves without human intervention. While FSD is still under development, it has shown promising results in controlled environments. However, there are still challenges to overcome before FSD can be deployed on public roads. Challenges and considerations. Despite the progress made by Tesla and other companies in the field of autonomous vehicles, there are still significant challenges to overcome. One of the biggest concerns is safety. Autonomous vehicles must be able to handle a wide range of driving scenarios, including adverse weather conditions, construction zones, and unexpected obstacles. A single failure could have catastrophic consequences. Another challenge is regulatory approval. Governments around the world are developing regulations to govern the use of autonomous vehicles. These regulations must strike a balance between innovation and safety. It is unclear how long it will take for autonomous vehicles to receive widespread regulatory approval. The future of robotaxis. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits of robotaxis are significant. They could reduce traffic congestion, accidents, and emissions. They could also provide transportation options for people who are unable to drive or who live in areas with limited public transportation. Tesla's vision of a future where robotaxis are the norm is ambitious, but it is not impossible. The company has made significant progress in developing the technology needed for autonomous vehicles. However, it will take time, investment, and careful consideration to address the challenges and ensure the safety and reliability of robotaxis. So, is Tesla's robotaxi possible? The answer is yes, but it will likely take several years to become a reality. The technology is advancing rapidly, and Tesla is at the forefront of the development. However, there are still significant challenges to overcome, and the regulatory landscape is evolving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.